Hi, my name is Mr. Minalt. I teach 7th and 9th grade science. In my classroom we do a lot of hands-on demonstrations. We do lots of labs, and so I guess you're going to come to my classroom and see a demonstration on that. And how many of you have heard of the word buoy before? A buoy. Okay, a buoy floats in the water. That's because of a buoyant force. Okay, this is an upward force created by all liquids. So anything that you put into water or put into any other kind of liquid, okay, it's going to push up on it. It's going to push up on it. So I'm going to show you a few different objects over here. But for example, let's say we have this toy boat, and the weight of that toy boat is 400 newtons. If you put it into the water and it floats, that means if the net force is 0, and the buoyant force had to be 400 newtons upwards. So that's what's making it float. If the buoyant force wasn't 400 newtons, it was less than that, they would sink. But now, let's look at some of these objects here. And then I can pass this around. But we have this piece of wood, and we have our Newton scale. And if you could read this, it says like 1.3 newtons. So gravity's pulling down this at 1.3 newtons. What's the weight of this object in newtons? 1.3. Okay. Now let's put it in the water and see how the water's going to push up on that. Okay, it appears to float. So now, what is the weight on this when it floats? 0. Okay, so it's 0. So if the weight was 1.3 newtons, and now it's 0 and it's floating, what is the buoyant force on that object? 1.3. It's 1.3 upward. Very good. So